Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video. So excited to bring you today the Kindle ColorSoft, the metallic black version. This is it here. I've got it out of the box. Okay, 32 gigs signature edition. Okay, 7-inch glare-free screen. They obviously announced a whole new line of Kindles, as everybody is aware, and the ColorSoft is the newest edition. They have new Paperwhites, a new basic, but just look at this thing. I've got it all ready to go, updated, you name it. Here's my library. Everything is in color. It's really a marvel and a wonder. And let me just lock it here so you can see I have a book cover on the lock screen just like that. Okay, so that is awesome. I'm reading this book right now by Ellie Marney. I discovered it. Some people suggested it on Reddit. It's one of three. The third coming is being released in February, I believe. So far, it's a really good book, but this is my library. It's very snappy. Everything is working really well. This new software update, too, for the old Kindles has been really nice also. I haven't obviously gotten a chance to use the Kindle all too well yet. I literally just got it today, Halloween day. I was supposed to get it delivered tomorrow. But as you can see, the page turning is really nice. I got it for the book covers and because it's a color Kindle and I wanted color. Most people don't need that. You can get the basic or the Paperwhite. The 12th edition was just released. I've also got it in the fabric cover here. As you can see, I bought the brand new fabric cover. I had the fabric cover also on my 11th gen, which is right here. And this thing still works great since the latest software update. But this case does not fit in this because this is a little bit bigger. You can see it's a little bit wider, and this is not. I'm sending this one back to Amazon, actually, because that's how I was able to buy this one with the trade-in and 20% discount when you trade in a device. But anyway, they've got some settings here for brightness, couple different things. You got auto brightness, you've got the warmth light as always, and you've got color styles, standard or vivid. Vivid enhances color. I'm not using color really, so I'm just going to keep that. You've got page color, black and white. That's dark mode, essentially. They're just calling it that. The brightness came defaulted at 20. I actually dropped it down to 15. I'm not noticing too much of a difference. I really like the way that it looks. I'll zoom in on the screen. Some people say you get that graininess with Kaleido 3 in color. I'm not too concerned with that. I'll put it next to my Paperwhite on the exact same page, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take this out of dark mode real quick. And that brightness is at 18. So let me put both brightnesses at 18. So I actually used my Kindle Paperwhite was being used at 18. So you can see this is a whiter page. 100% it's whiter. Okay, this, if I zoom in over here, you can see the difference. See how grainy this is? You get a little, people call it the screen door effect. But again, looking at it from a distance, I can't tell. I'm okay with this. I might put the warmth light up a little bit just to try to mimic what the color looks like here. So like if I go up to 8, that's a little bit closer to this now. So let me zoom out and you can see we're getting closer. But either way, I don't think it's that big of a difference. I actually really like this thing so far. I'm going to work more in-depth, review it, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts and whether I think this is a good device for people that are just into reading. If you're not into comics or anything like that, is the price of $279 worth it just to get color book covers and stuff? I always do that when I'm trying to go home. Also, the battery life, not as good as a Paperwhite or a basic. They're saying 8 weeks. Early reviews, I've seen people saying that their battery is draining very quickly and it's not even going to come close to 8 weeks. We're going to find out. It was at about 55% when I pulled it out of the box. I ran an update, and I've been, using it with the screen on for the better part of the last 30 minutes or so, and it's dropped down to 49%. But that's all I've got for you guys right now. Again, I'm going to use it for the next week or so, and then I will come back and give you my final thoughts on whether or not I'm keeping it, or maybe I will trade it in for the Paperwhite 12th gen. If the battery life to me is going to be key, because I don't want to have to charge this thing, a couple times a week, or a couple times a month. My Paperwhite, I literally can leave it on, airplane mode. I typically don't leave it on airplane mode for the syncing, because I do read on the Kindle app at work, on my computer, different things like that sometimes. And so the battery life on that is amazing. So with this, we're going to find out how it is. But with that being said, I'll let you know in a week or so, few days. I'll use it this weekend, and I'll hopefully help you guys make an informed decision. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.